from my point of view, collaboration is an extremely important part of science. Today, more than ever, it's an important part because research, at least in biology and medical research in particular, has become very multidisciplinary. So, whereas at one time people were making important discoveries in biochemistry, or people were making important discoveries in genetics, or people were making discoveries in microbiology, today we're at a level where we're trying to understand more complex things. And understanding more complex phenomena requires that you also understand the biochemistry and also the genetics and also the molecular biology. And because of that, you really have to be able to collaborate with people who have expertise in different areas. And so for some people, I mean, I look at it as something essential. Collaboration is not always so easy to do. Scientists are people, and people are very much interested in themselves a lot of times, even in their science. And many collaborative efforts arise because people are opportunistic. You want to do something, you're a scientist, you want to do something, and you realize that you can't do it because you're missing something. You're part of the picture, but you're missing something. You go ahead and you find somebody to collaborate with you who's going to fill in. And it's quite opportunistic. You don't find situations where two people are sitting having coffee and they say, let's solve the problem of cancer together. It usually doesn't work that way. I've had wonderful, wonderful experiences here at the Hebrew University with collaborative efforts, which of course began in some sort of opportunistic fashion, but ended up being real, as you say, chavruta, real way of sharing and learning together and taking two things and making them synergistic. And I've had three wonderful, wonderful collaborations here. First one with Aaron Razin, and then another one with Menashe Marcus, who unfortunately passed away when he was young, but we were on an adventure that is not over yet. But, unfortunately, because he's not around, it's been slowed down a little bit, but another adventure that is really unbelievable. And most recently with Yehudi Bergman, in which we've been studying two things together that have turned out to be wonderful collaborations. One is the role of DNA methylation in stem cells, and the other is trying to understand the immune system. And both of those have turned out to be wonderful collaborations. It's a wonderful thing when you can do it, because it really is expanding.